Are you struggling with frozen shoulder? In this video, I'm giving you 5 tips to set you in right direction for fast recovery. Hi, Kimio Matthews here. I'm a New York licensed massage therapist and owner of Stony Point Massage. My channel, Kimio's Health Tips, will give you the best home remedies for stress and shoulder tension. So if you are new here, I encourage you to subscribe. So we are starting 3-part series for frozen shoulder, and I wish I knew this 5 years ago when I went through frozen shoulder. And that's why I want to make sure you get this message. So part 1 today, I'm giving you 5 tips to get back on. Part 2, going deeper, we are going to get to the root cause with Kimio's 10-point checklist. And part 3, I'm going to show you the best massage tool, and you're going to learn how to melt your shoulder with this 5-minute self-massage. So are you excited? Let's get to it. So tip number 1, stop hurting yourself. If your shoulder hurts so bad, stop the activities that aggravate. Don't pick up anything heavy. Don't try to stretch if it hurts. Even if you used to do those activities with no problem, it's not okay with frozen shoulder. So be your own gatekeeper and say no to anything that goes against your healing. Tip number 2, love your body like your best friend. I often see people are angry at their bodies for causing pain and inconvenience. Well, it's not your body's fault. And it's not like somebody broke your shoulder while you're sleeping either. So put yourself in body's shoes for a moment. Because you didn't take good care of your body, it starts to hurt. So actually, you need to apologize to your body and make up your mind to love it like your best friend or your baby. So when you decide to commit yourself for healing with love, some things start to change. So tip number 3, be in charge of your body. I often see people treating their bodies as if it belongs to somebody else. I hear, oh, I need to ask my doctors a lot. You know, seeing your doctor is your choice. Just like taking an exercise is your choice. But choice is yours. In this information age, everything you want to know is under your fingertips. So do your research and educate yourself. If you don't, well, somebody else will decide for you. So tip number 4, focus on 1. I sometimes see people taking multiple treatments all at once. PT, chiro, acupuncture, massage, and etc. But more is not better here. Excuse me. Pick one and invest your effort into it. Also, if you're taking multiple treatments, you don't know which one is working and which is not, but you can try one at a time. If that treatment you're taking didn't work after trying hard for 1 or 2 months, then you can move on. And that leads you to tip number 5. Fire your healthcare provider. If you don't see any improvement after putting your heart and effort into your treatment, it's time to move on. So look for somebody else. Insanity is doing same things over and over again and expecting different results. Since you are a good listener, here's a bonus tip. Smile more and have fun. The best medicine is your smile and laughter. It reduces pain and body tension and makes everything more manageable. If you're ready for action, watch the next video. In part 2, I'm going to share my frozen shoulder checklist and find out the root cause of your pain and restriction. In part 3, I'm going to share you the best massage tool for frozen shoulder and show you how to release the muscles that are causing your pain and restriction. So if you have any questions about your frozen shoulder, let me know in the comment section below, and hit the like button if you got anything out of this video. So I'll see you in the next one.